Hey guys, you're with BillHamawi, aka Spitroasted, and today I'm going to talk about why you need to set up your goals for Twitch. The greatest thing you can do for yourself when you're starting at Twitch is to set up goals. I mean, if you want to grow your Twitch to make money, then you need to set it up as if it's a business. You need to have multiple different things that work hand in hand to kind of grow you and your stream and your brand, because that's who you are. You're a brand. You're branding yourself out. You're marketing yourself out. And to do that, you need to set up goals. Those goals need to be specific. They need to be measurable. They need to be attainable. They need to be relevant. They need to be easily attainable in a time frame that you can do throughout your day. You gotta make sure that you're not restricting yourself and you're just doing Twitch all the time, because you'll go crazy. Trust me. I've been doing it for 2 months, and I previously used to do it for a long time, and I wish that I kept doing it, but I stopped, and it's a lot harder now to grow. So what you need to do is basically you need to make sure that when you're setting up a specific goal, like when you're setting your goal, it has to be specific. That I want to have X amount of followers by X amount of time. So I want to have 50 followers in a week, right? That might be hard for you guys, but it's something that is achievable. It's attainable. You have to be able to push yourself for that. And what will happen is you'll make yourself do anything to get that goal completed, right? Once you've written it down, I'm telling you, you'll work your way towards getting that done, getting it finished. And so once you've put down, I have X amount of subscribers by X date, that becomes now a measurable thing. And you can track your progress on how you went, what time did you gain it. So say I gained 50 followers and then I got it 3 days later. That's a trackable measurement. You can track that. So it should always be attainable. Don't set a goal that's too far. 1,000 viewers and you're starting from zero. Like, don't do that. That is what you would call an epic goal. And then you would have a major goal. And then you should have a micro goal, right? So your epic is ultimately what you want to end up with, say, in 3 months or a month, by the end of the month. A major is what you want to do, say, a month to a week, depending on how large your epic is. And then a minor should be your incremental stepping stone to how to get to the major. And once you've gotten to the major, now you reset your micros to get to the next major, which will get you to your epic. So I want to have 1,000 viewers, right? I want to have 1,000 followers. Then your major is I want to have 100 followers. Then your minor is I want to have 50 followers, right? And then that becomes your stepping stone. It's easier to attain lower numbers than it is to get to 1,000, right? Very simple. So make sure that when you set your goals up, that they are relevant to what you require and your stream, right? And make sure that you put a time measurement on them. You make sure that you have a deadline for them, so then the next time, say you don't hit your goal, say I got 23 out of 50. The next time you still aim for 50, you reset your goal and you go, okay, I didn't hit it. Because eventually what's going to happen is you're going to hit that goal, and the whole time that you kept not hitting it, they still add up to your major epic, right? To your major and your epic. So realistically, you have to be a patient person when it comes to Twitch. I've been doing Twitch for 2 months when I returned, and it's not easy. It used to be a lot easier. It used to be a lot more discoverable. Now it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So you need to find ways of standing out, making yourself a bit different. If that means going a bit above and beyond, or using social media, or creating a YouTube video, or doing Twitch, or getting your friends involved, that is up to you. But make sure that you set up your goals before you start streaming. Make sure you create a document and put up goals, or you have a whiteboard. I have a whiteboard here. It tells me my first goal is a Twitch partner. That's an epic. My followers are 500 and my subs are 20. I've already passed the subs 20, but they were gifted subs. I'd rather have subs that are ongoing and consistent, So an individual sub. So I have my major, which is my goal to become a partner. My epic goal, which is to become partner. My major, which is to have 500 followers, and have 20 subs is my minor. Is that hard? Is that is it gonna happen? Probably not. But I gotta work my way to that. And so that's what you need to do. Make sure you work smarter, not harder. And that's where the acronym comes from. Your goal should be SMART, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely, and that spells out SMART. Anyway, I'm BillHamawi, aka Spitroasted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out. Go follow my Twitch, follow me on my socials, and like and subscribe to my video. It really does help, and I will do the same for you if you put your link in the below. Thanks.